K-Bar TV, voice of the voices.
Danger of what is going on. Yeah, we are the problem. There be American. Me say yeah, citizens, Mama yen tum say yeah, 80% of the problem. We are 80% of the problem. I thought that politicians they want to do the right thing, but yeah, citizens na yeah mawo mokwan. Because yeah, citizens na ye mu bi mu ene ye technocrats no. Ye mu bi mu ene ye civil servants no. And I pay Dr. Kisi Adomako and some all care about how sometimes ministers ni bi impo MPP mu ye you. Minister bi wo ho person ya de papa. Now so the ministry no omo ye adwuma wo ho no ye mma no kwan. Ye mma no kwan. Ubetumi nya technical director utumi ka kire minister say ye ubeto yen wa ho. Wo de say yenim say kwata 8 years ubeko. Ye de obeto yen wa ha kwata 4 years obeto yen wa ha enti yen ya na ye say ye man o yen ya Ghana fo na ye say o man no enye politicians ne nko awo aya moma ye so yen take responsibility ni bi ye ka problem no ho bi ye ka ho bi and I pay me Honorable Kennedy Agyapong interview no like the more I'm watching him the more I am understand what do we want Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to do. What were we expecting Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to do other than to go back to his party and support his party? But you see, the more I listen to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on the campaign platform, the more I am convinced that we need to prove to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and the supporters, that in the interest of Yekrom Ghana, we will not it's as simple as that. We are not going to listen to him in the interest of our like in relation when you listen to interview now you juxtapose it to Galamsey video then you ask yourself say and you Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ya na catcher yen say Nana Akufo-Addo te ho now when it comes to Galamsey oni roots oni ihini ayanya sa na yeka no. Bottom line, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong told us that Nana Akufo-Addo's government, Bawumia's government, Napo's government, his own government, they cannot fight Galamsey. Because Oma na Galamsey, when I say Oma and your Honorable Kenu, MPP for na Galamsey, Napo and the Galamsey kingpin was in the studio with them. Video ya me Galamsey kingpin, the kingpin of Galamsey today in Ghana. I was saying yensansi. I.e. chairman wound to me. Now at the studio hobby. And you see, we was say a G or my free woman sem. That doesn't mean say you're time Honorable Ken, you're no. But the man is powerless at the moment. Until we give Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the mandate to take action. On to me nyere. And you know where Jai Kasa bebre no. There's no point so be Kasa biem. Ayana metis and Kofo say, oh, na Kennedy Agyapong, na Satan no Kasa, na you want to be a yanchu, Edia no ye. Na ode koma yoko na yoko beka chere se hwini mu e ode koma OSP no OSP si hwini mu e ode koma court na court hwi o man na ye wurade nku Ghana mobo enti eno na Amarado bo onwom no me ne wo sere kwa but ma fa me ho adwene me the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong na maba be hu no me minim se wa fa ne ho adwene no te ho no campaign no de obeye na obi ameka njere se wa anye campaign. But we find a one drain not on until say ye beji free crofo we sem. Na ye believe Honorable Kennedy Agyapong they bet me a whippy and crofo in line. Ye did to me national Honorable Kennedy. There's nothing on that. I don't understand why Obeka say when who Kennedy Agyapong Honorable ewo campaign no muntino what dream asesa mende ukwakoto abama bawomia ukoto abama bawomia say na wonim se bawomia wo na Obeka say Ope Kennedy Agyapong. So we Kennedy Agyapong supporter uti MPP no. Usi one who say Kennedy Agyapong di campaign nechi to wadwene asesa na chita na wo mpe Honorable o party na emom ubedi e kire bia keke because say na wo gidie wo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong mu ampa say ono na betumi asesa no ma agi party na free achimfo yinsem one asesa oman Ghana amayen awepen krofo in line na ade achichem krofo na ade a unkoto aba maba omia because one who say Kennedy Agyapong di e kire nti enti ba nyansa nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ Honorable Kennedy Agyapong campaign no odi ekyire dia na wo so odi ekyire keke wo so odi ekyire enti wo na wo ye na chita ne supporter no wo na wo se wo gina Bible say put on the full armor of God and when you finish there or stand put on the full armor of God, the breastplate of salvation, the helmet of the D&D, or say, and when you are done, stand, Gina, one kase shedding in area, we are sawadjune, na baby, a yedi bonne no coho, or see Gina. And yes, yeah, they are Canadian Japan, dear, but yesterday, young got tie nechi, and got tuaba mabawumia, because honorable one and ye pay. And say, one ye pay, na ye say, one I bet me about in 4 years' time. We have to ensure that Bawumia will lose the campaign so that Canadian Japan can come. So MPP, we Canadian Japan supporter. But very, very, we saw some Canadian Japan supporters. Junior sister, Ghana for Guy Bako, your friend Franco, and some Wabe Bruego, and some.
Would you be ready to
Benso? Messi de Akufo de beye mu bia. Dia MPP for na poni honorable Canadian Japan no mu de beye mu bia omo fanya mo mu di se ye de yamo until se Ghana ni behua se de yesi to aba. Until se Ghana ni behua se de yesi to aba. Manchester Kennedy is like a chameleon. What do you mean by that? Please explain to me what you mean by Kennedy is like a chameleon. And she says, now all criticizing a party, your understanding of that was we're criticizing a party into own free party. Now no yentiana Mr. Johnson I see you don't get here. Or criticizing NDC for. Say about to na year kono. NDC for munya wene kwenwe and crofan start teacher position. Mr. Johnson I see you don't get here or criticizing Omuriye. Did he leave the NDC? He's still in the NDC. He's still campaigning. So why should Honorable Canadian Japan leave MPP? Mona mokas at the maintain was you. Or no, then and was see a party on free. What is anybody's problem? He comes and speaks the truth. You people have an issue with him. The man is quiet now doing what he wants to do. You still have a problem. No, nobody can dictate to Honorable Canadian Japan. He doesn't owe anybody foco. Honorable Canadian Japan does not owe anyone foco in Ghana. He does not owe anybody any explanation in Ghana. The Nanado did not make the law. The law. Now, who did anybody say in our submission that Nanado made the law? Nobody said that. Is that your interpretation? Now, Honorable Ken no video no. You people now want to put all your frustration on Honorable Kennedy Japan. Now, I didn't supporting the last year. Those of you who want to now put all your frustration on Honorable Kennedy Japan, does he owe you? Does Canadian Japan owe you people anything? Matna si ashama or minus say no. Afe na na modem mo wire nyina akokọ Canadian Japan. Na se ene ono so aye na adwene se sebio obema ne suban na yete se mo amudie ni bia afe de mo bu afu. Na de bia meka no Ghana fo nko ane nkrofo a meminimu a ye beto abanko ana everybody's morality na aba obia suddenly becomes moral. Now suddenly everybody understands that the right thing needs to be done. We are looking for the right type of leaders, blah 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 blah. Meanwhile some ba na ye kafa leaders yi wana mudi atem. Na se mo se Canadian Japan ye bodamfo. Mo se ya pai ni tirim, ya koye ni tirim operation enti wa bodam. Enti se ode na bodam ni di na poni bawomi echi a mo problem ne say. Most wa bodam and all ya bodam for near my day chiramo into more problem in saying I'm not a catcher was a Canadian Japan abodam much me quatina OBT TV show no did Canadian Japan attempt the chiramo Canada wa bodam ya pilot him na yamu de namo sresre namo sre na yamu de namo share no dimate or di Canada attempt the chiramo Canada Japan wakoji tre sika no beka 800 million no beka say ya they are offering na 100. How many of you criticizing Honorable Canadian Japan today when he came and told Ghanaians that they offered him 850 million honorable one more amount or so one man sika it share them so boy or how many of you applauded him and said honorable well done sir one Jesus sika no majority of you came and insulted him. Majority of you said he was lying. Then somebody suddenly comes and tells you that Sikano kura oje na yedi nkai mano emu 300 million na yedi komano wo menshia. Then suddenly all of you believe that. Mwana mose wanje no Mana mo se oyo trofo na waje no. Afede yesi waje 300 million no. Eye mo de mo se ye no kre Kennedy de onye Kennedy oyo bodamfo akoji sika no akoji emu 300 million ya kukuru shippers authority ya de amana yere e fine ne kwesi hi. Say then na mo pese onye. Some mo se waje Ghana contract nyina. Enti o say yes obedi na po echi ope more contract. O problem ne say Mona mo criticize you honorable Kennedy Japan mo problem pa anything. Then Pia me catch them Ghana for baby you don't know what you want. I don't care who you are, whether you are a lawyer, a doctor, a nurse, or whatever. You still don't know what you want. It is easy for you to sit back and criticize people you don't even know. Kennedy is like this, and Kennedy is like that, and Kennedy is like this. Now someone say what about them? And all ya about them for Nema. So what is your problem? Take finance what you about them for. Or you'll be complaining about honorable Kennedy Japan. You better stop because we'll say what about them. So all ya about them for Nema. Just leave him. I don't know about them for no kind of Ghana wa mun complaining. Leave the man to do his abodam for near me. And you do the right thing. Ensure that John Mahama will win. Ensure that Alan Chiramatin will win. Finish. If you see abodam for one running who naked on the street, kind of about them mentally challenged. Leave him to do his mentally challenged near me. Nipe mo se about them. I feel you are abodam for near my de cheremwa mubuafu. Munya hungry. Said be a mecachemo. Munya hungry. Yasunya ye ne kwakachiro honorable Kennedy Japan se onyai de obeye bia onye o de obeye de abo on omo we ni a oma we ni yatim me de asamba akopɛ na okan ya me baba kire ma adwen wo ho de a kire no a couple two things
say mo be shy so
enti
is a movement mirror
on it
no what to say
honorable Kennedy Japan ba akopɛ
anyway and then said and chippies but the women can be sabi a real on penny for now
hey you every sabi mama yo with there other room yes 7th December Ghana for you na kwakotwaba that's right na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe wanya Yankopon animonyam that's right and the independent animonyam it's true and the party leader Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono na MPP fo nyina no yakwakoto de swaba na what the Dr. Mahmoud what the Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe and I the running meet to also ponto obia say abenam so na watimi awene abano titru our santima muha the target 85% no waboa ama yensa atimi aka enomu anama ayemi aka saminu ya panyin wohene a Japan Canada wohene Japan asoso ababeka ho a ye bonto ate ye bonto say
what chairman want to me onu ani nua panyin Canada Japan Kennedy Japan ni nua panyin na okwaya press conference Kennedy Japan ne kun Ahmed Suale no kai last year ya what now better politics enya asam ketwa politics woni abotira want to me ye hwe na mo pa Kennedy Japan ya politician nanka wonja MPP o me hu obi comment bi say honorable Kennedy Japan should go enjoy Mahama. Why should he go enjoy Mahama? No, why should somebody spend all his money, blood, sweat and tears for 32 years to build a political party? Na onja ni nyina fa nkoma opposition for what to be a hifa corruption yes sir. The man is a politician. He is doing politics. You better understand. You don't understand Brian Champo se kwashepo. You don't understand Kennedy Japan. Go and bend the sea. Brian Champo ne kai nyamnam kai. These are not my words. And to asho. Someone would my own to me. And that was so on one in your penny Kennedy Japan waba. It was the same media. And I chairman want to meet now so catch Ghana for Kennedy Japan you Ahmed Suale. One would have expected honorable Ken. Say community radio no so na and go back actually want to me say hey can no radio no na Ghana for you na says I na wo kan no oh pachel or whatever. But honorable Kennedy Japan will never do that. And your election year money you want. Onko ye bibi mo bi meka say hey what's that the confusion about they claim they are united. They claim that they are united. This is where you know that it is called the game of politics. And to us,
December 7th for no Dr. Mahmoud
Matthias or say Kennedy Japan in your opinion ba or baba bua womo Say onye 10 cents of Kennedy Japan be mo. Say or more than be mo kai adomako befi. Or no, they see baby oda, Yankumpon for your mom pie man. Mo say yente nka for a very long time. Catch them was any man koyi. Adomako befi kwatena radio show catch them say Kennedy Japan abot dam. Nempo ye here, obey here say psychiatrist or say psychologist or say whatever. And then the same Kennedy Japan, but then you know. Henry Kwate, eka kachere nkrofo say, Mamuntu Abama no, he's a crazy man. And ne crazy man no. Chairman won to me say Kennedy ye wudini or Kuamer Swale. Na se Kennedy sa bien no organa hobium or no or bema ya chi Kennedy Japan. And ne or say any new penny waba or baboa or mo. Ushia bibi frame. Someone or no bawomia nankasa no ye candidate flag bearer. Wan kojina campaign so anka nkyere ye say obi okasa dodo politics of insults. Kennedy Japan politics or ye politics of insults. And that enye Kennedy Japan boto musika eni ye di bo abebu o man Ghana. Mokai ye sure anopa baako na the publisher, the insight, the chronicle, daily graphic, daily one, daily DND, na front page ya Bram Kennedy Japan is doing politics of insult. Ya sena ma the whole Ghana. And then the same Kennedy Japan. 10 say, where is Oparianza? And then I fed you omu here sika, omu here voice, omu here influence, obi on the grassroots for any kasa grassroots for any tino. Omako frebo demino, Kennedy Japan. Say I fail no more who's on my big mistake. I fail no more who say on my big mistake. Like MPP foko chawo mo ho Frede wie yero. Ebeto the same Kennedy Japan answer. Man kan kire mo. Say me call Ghana last year June. Me call Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign ni bi. Out of the blue. Say me ame de mani kwa akwohwe noma. Me share papa no for the first time. Ye de me call if you invite me call the birthday party me call fie ho. Me hu no one on one to me ne bon komot na say. And I mean how very powerful Honorable Kennedy Japan is in Ghana and in the MPP. Man can't that Honorable Kennedy Japan is a very powerful message. Means so mania. Uyi President Kufuor free wa Kennedy Japan is next in Ghana, especially in MPP politics. And President Kufuor, it is only because of his age. Because Omunina Kennedy Japan and do president. Man can't Shekwaya MPP for the Honorable Kennedy Japan fashion. And then as I beton and today without Kennedy Japan, especially in Ashanti region, they are not going anywhere. Today they need 85% votes in Ashanti region. So now they have to go and call but them minina ya pay ni temono. Na ye ni trimu nyansa nyina tuego na wabodam kasaba sabasa kasane bushu Kennedy Japan ni munyansa ene ono the same Kennedy Japan. And it's a Mahama catch us a Kennedy Japan and a very, very good friend. TSC. Twice President Mahama Kasa same way in less than 2 weeks. 2 times were referred to Kennedy Japan as a good friend. Some Mahama will play a game. His Excellency own Bibi, own the strength of Kennedy Japan, and he's playing on it. His Excellency John Mahama knows, he say, Ghanaians know Kennedy Japan to be a very honest man. So some watch the NDC for campaign no more now. They are not even referencing Bawumia so much, but they are referencing Kennedy Japan. Because the NDC knows that the moment they tell Ghanaians that MPP for Kennedy Japan could say. So Sami Jenfi comes and does his NDC 360 on Wednesdays. He will play Kennedy Japan. Then President Mahama himself, twice about Kennedy Japan. In his World Bank voter region, he mentions Kennedy Japan, tells the people in the voter region that Kennedy Japan is my very good friend. In other words, listen to Kennedy Japan when he tells you that they have looted Ghana like there's no tomorrow. You see how powerful Honorable Kennedy Japan is? Nanka opposition leader, and yet Mahama, and yet Bawumia on an echo. Why wouldn't he mention and attack Bawumia? But he's using, you see how clever President Mahama is? He's playing on the strength and the influence of Kennedy Japan in Ghana. Because Mahama knows that the moment he tells you that Kennedy is his good friend, Kennedy is this, you will start listening to everything Kennedy Japan has been saying about his own party. Because whatever Honorable Kennedy Japan has said about his own party is the truth. When he tells you that they themselves are involved in Galamsey, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that they have failed on Galamsey, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that Bawumia and Kenoforiata and the finance ministry, this current crop, they have no strategy, it is the truth. When Honorable Kennedy Japan tells you that they have looted Ghana like there's no tomorrow, it is the truth. That doesn't mean that Honorable Kennedy Japan should stay at home. He's not a pensioner. He is not a pensioner. Na pensioners so kwasho mko abontin ko ye community engagement. Into mo da mo fa so ye pensioner na ye community engagement. Mo na mo ntia se odi campaign eche no. Fa ne se oye pensioner but oye community engagement and ona nam odi na ni hwe bi. Mo ntin ye ma bi no mase. Mo ntin no wo ma ase.
Na what's in your reign ababe Ghana man penyen president of Republic of Ghana today aba. It does.
And ye mama kwaba.
So now the same one to me who sat in a radio station with Kennedy Japan and was throwing his wits about, and you want our chair me, hey, Kennedy, hey, boys now did you today one said why no Boko as a small boy, like a younger brother. Yeah, my big brother Kennedy Japan is here. Or Baba Buayen. And he suddenly won't to me, I know to say bofra and your mind games or more than my journey diagoro, your friend of politics. The game of politics, it is a game. It will take years to come and break everything down and decode everything for you guys. Now, what my wajene when near daho. Now, adrenaline social year, Juma, na dia kotuaba December 7th. And now for you, Kennedy picture kura is bigger than Bawumia and Napo combined. Nanka hifa corrosion about them in the Nimbo and Yusubam. They know the power he carries.
My sense of Nasan say, you need any break Yeni brevi ye shen common asana. My main source same from vaccine hope. On a mission common say free hope.
And then the same way to me platforms. On my task with the Honorable Kennedy Japan at Terminal. And then the same platforms. Yes, shall say free, yeah, Papa Kennedy Japan. And then your papa. And then your Kennedy Japan, and your woman papa. May say by now, I said, so watch you na fetchira copacho, make a kubisa. And so she atem the dia sense so boachi, edidi Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Mr. Say, you do what you say, you nim, and what they are the boa party.
Mate, yenim, ya do what you che, yenim and hoarding out the boa party. And to woman, so Honorable Ken and our boa party, a hoarding. That's a morning, sir. Then tina mama grassroots for Nanto Abamano. Now let's go back to the Japadia document. Yeah, my grassroots to phone to Abamano. Because Akufuado war plan. Yeah, the Akufuado actually did your backend ye beye. Akufuado a talk Asante MPs in yana. What to CEOs in yana, ministers in yana, or the Mikasa Wata or the Sika Tomunina. O Munina Swakoto grassroots to phone. And to do more backa, and ye beye, and a moko tongue. Abatuon. Muji sika 30 shekels of silver and a moton or my Ghana. Emma Akufuado. Nti munim se MPP grassroots, MPP delegates. Mwana moko to Abama Bawumiano. Mwa yese Judas. Moko J 30 shekels of silver and a moton Ghana dachi Ediama Akufuado. And then mwa se tramoho se Japadia document. Sometimes when I see some of them on some of the platforms on YouTube discussing the Japadia document, when you bring womukitani BAP and discussing me show masa. Mwa cotton or mine every. Mwa koji 30 shekels of silver every. Mwa say Judas or Jirian or no neho. Judas or Kojirian or no neho. Oh no neho. And then mumu bebre MPP for one no more. Mwanumo Eugene Boache entry munina and now say adani Eugene akasakasa adani na kasakasa mwanumo mwakoji 30 shekels of silver na wie mwa say Judas or Jirian onu ne ho Judas or Kojirian onu ne ho and then mumu bebre MPP for mwanumo Eugene Boache entry munina and now say adani Eugene akasakasa adani na kasakasa mwanumo.
K-Bar TV, voice of the voices.